Okay, hi. So, welcome to this new
Hi.
episode, which is there. And uh, I think after we finish this episode, there'll be Qatar, which will be happening of people wanting to see because we have a very special individual who is joining us all the way from Qatar. Yeah. So here, let me welcome Shekhar Deshpande, who is not only a
Hmm.
technocrat, but he's also a entrepreneur. Yeah, and he not only has done a lot of wonderful things in India, but for the last few years he's based out of Qatar, and so we'll have this discussion with him. तो शेखर भाई आपके जिंदगी के सफर के बारे में कुछ बताइए टिल नाउ नटसेल में.
Yeah, I did my schooling and everything from Nagpur, as you know, Turin.
हम्म.
And after that, during our days, only two branches were there. One was medical and second was engineering.
यस.
That
करेक्ट.
time, मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन अगर नहीं मिला तो
लाइफ में
वो
कुछ नहीं है.
लड़का डम है, ये एक स्टैंपिंग हो जाता था उसके ऊपर.
हाँ.
So accordingly, my interest was in engineering.
ओके.
So I opted for the same. बहुत rigorous study किया. Somehow I got admission in VRC. Now अभी VNIT है. But
द सेम थिंग.
जो yeah, yeah. And but वहाँ पे although couldn't do that much, मतलब ऐसा flourish ये नहीं हुआ मेरा कुछ इतना. But still okay, I completed engineering. And my aim was to stay in Nagpur only
हम्म.
to be with my parents
हम्म.
because my elder sister is mentally retarded. So I wanted to stay with them to take
हम्म.
care of her.
हम्म.
And so I continued job और जिसके फिर शुरुआत जॉब की थोड़ी सी लो लेवल पे होती है
हम्म.
उसका फिर उसको बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है लाइफ में.
हम्म.
But luckily, after some time, my elder brother, got transferred to Nagpur, and then I
अच्छा.
got the chance to move out of Nagpur. So I
हम्म.
shifted to Bombay. वहाँ पे काफी सारी कंपनीज मैंने चेंज किया और उसके बाद में फिर I got opportunity to work in Qatar.
हम्म.
But then I was in Qatar for just 1 year. But after going back from Qatar, I started my own company who
हम्म.
was manufacturing. We were manufacturing complete range of LED lighting fixtures, and that time LED itself was a new concept totally.
हम्म.
So, but I had a big challenge of funds because I
हम्म.
was proprietor of my company,
हम्म.
and after that I landed in huge losses. So to make up those losses, I came back again to Qatar. Now I'm okay, enjoying life. Everything is settled down, and that's it. This is about my personal life, and I have one wife and one son. Okay, and
भाई
yes.
भाभी सुन रही क्या पीछे बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाई यू आर टेलिंग वन वाइफ. कतार में गया तो मतलब यू हैव टू हैव मल्टीपल ना मतलब.
No, 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 no,
हाँ? अच्छा.
no.
नहीं मेरे को लगा कि वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दे गिव यू वीजा ओनली इफ यू आर विलिंग टू हैव मोर देन वन वाइफ. ऐसा कुछ
No, no, no,
कंडीशन है.
nothing, nothing like that, nothing like
अच्छा.
that. Otherwise, my wife wouldn't have sent me here.
Yeah, which is very true. Yeah. So I
Yep.
think it's wonderful because I think Shekhar, this is as you rightly said, my hometown is also Nagpur, and हमने मतलब journey वहीं से चालू किया. And I met you in front of this building, iconic building. That point of time was called
Yeah.
Vishweshwarya Regional Engineering College. Now it's called VNIT Nagpur. Um, and I think the similarity also is there because uh, my elder sister also she was mentally challenged, so I was not aware
Uh,
about this. And uh, so I think I can understand that the kind of things which a
challenges what
person
we,
goes through,
yes.
and the family, it's a whole family goes
Yes.
through when you have a situation like that. And uh, but उसमें मेरे को ऐसा I had, and I don't know whether you had that kind of thing, because then I thought कि I need to be doing something more, or maybe my parents wanted me to be, और सारे एक्सपेक्टेशन मेरे पास मेरे ऊपर ही आ गया था. So in your case तो I
Hmm.
think it might be even more ना तुम्हारे मतलब your dad was our professors at VNIT
Yes. Yes.
Visvesvaraya. So did that impact your studies in any way, or was it you could just be
No,
a
it,
another student?
nahi. Hmm. Okay, carry on. Sorry. Yeah.
So I said, could you just carry on being a student there, or and did
No,
it
I
put more
was,
pressure on you?
yeah, I was son of professor. So there were many challenges which I had to face. But okay, I had to overcome those challenges. Like every professor was, I used to call them uncle
Uncle.
because we all were staying in same campus,
Campus,
Torani.
yeah.
And so
Mhm.
all electrical, mechanical, civil, all people, they
Mhm.
were knowing me personally.
Mhm.
So knowing it is like having relations with a police person, you know. मीन्स पुलिस से ज्यादा दोस्ती भी अच्छी नहीं और ज्यादा दुश्मनी भी अच्छी नहीं.
अच्छी नहीं,
तो वो
करेक्ट.
सॉर्ट ऑफ वहां पर था मेरे को.
और
And
इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम.
but okay, it supported me a lot, of course, no doubt, because my dad was there. But I couldn't meet up to his expectations. What means honestly, and I will always regret for that. I will always regret. I couldn't meet his expectations. That means I couldn't get placed in campus interviews, as you know, because of my entire academics, and I couldn't meet his expectations. Yes, I will always regret for this.
हाँ, but fair enough. But I think today, if he had, and he's seeing you from wherever he is, he will, I think, be very, very proud of what you have done and achieved. And
Yeah, mm,
we इसी का नाम है, because that's why we are having this discussion about जिंदगी का सफर. It
जिंदगी का
brings along
सफर.
lot of
Yes,
challenges as we go along.
yeah,
Uh, During learning time, maybe it's the uh, studies is something which is our only so-called responsibility, and I think I can
yes,
understand when you don't do very well in that, we
yeah.
can feel little upset about the whole thing. Okay, fair. Taking on from there, so since you have done a technical job in the electrical industry only, where um, your graduation was in electrical, so how much of what you learned was useful uh, when you came to the practical world?
One thing I would like to share here, that
Hmm.
whatever I learned
Hmm, hmm,
and whatever I have done right from completion of engineering, I was always into electrical field. Now
hmm.
also I am into electrical field only. Today only I was discussing about what can be the resistance of an ohm meter.
Wow.
Yeah.
मैं तो भूल भी
So
गया. What
still,
is?
yes, honestly. So right from beginning, I was in maintenance. Then I was planted, but again responsibility of electrical things. And after that, throughout, I work in ABB. I work in General Cables USA.
Mhm,
All electrical line only. And yes, I means only now I am into sales, but we have always technical meetings with the clients, and
mhm,
we have got some agencies here. So
mhm,
all technical discussions, only technical Of course, commercial is part of business, no doubt about
mhm,
it. But technically, yes, It helped me a lot
mhm.
after studying. Today also, I remember that A.K. Sawhney's book for instrumentation, which
Wow.
we had in second year. Because when that topic came, that what could be the
Ohm meter.
resistance of an ohm meter. So
Uh,
ohm meter means second year. I remembered. I think Professor Borgate was there for
Correct, correct.
practical. I
Yes,
don't know.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. So now let me, since you said that, what is the resistance? Is it zero?
It is very minimum.
Very minimum.
Actually, when voltage is applied, the resistance value changes
Mm.
of a circuit. That is the issue. And
Mm.
there we got stuck.
Okay.
And we are representing one European product from Italy.
Uh-huh.
So it is failing here. So the
Mm.
testing method itself was wrong,
Oh.
which these people are adopting. Now we have corrected the testing method, and
Mm.
now they have passed our product. It is
Yeah,
static
yeah.
indicator.
One thing which I realized, though I did not continue too much on the engineering line, is
Yeah,
if you your fundamentals are clear, because that's what will be there. So what you are talking about, a practical situation, I don't think it will be there in any book as such, because now fortunately you have some a lot of information available on Google. But I doubt
yeah.
any academician also will be able to answer or it's being taught in any
No,
in
no,
the
no,
best of
no,
schools.
no,
Yeah.
no,
So you
no,
have
no,
to be
because I
having
have
the concept.
given,
Correct.
yes,
Mm.
yes, I have given lectures in BRC also when
Hmm.
I was entrepreneur.
Hmm.
So that time I gave lectures, three lectures I gave,
Mhm.
and on how the LED lighting technology works out
Hmm.
for third year and final year students. I gave that time. I remember. So technical means I've always throughout the life I was into technical only. Yes,
Okay. Okay. Good. So
but it was
okay,
not taught
let's.
in books, no doubt.
Okay,
It
great.
was not taught in books anywhere.
Yeah, it will not be. Yeah, it was definitely. And
Yes.
when I went and joined, uh, I was actually feeling that I've not learned anything when I went and joined Reliance in my first instinct and all. So
Hmm.
I was thinking that ये क्या हुआ क्या वगैरह मार्क्स तो मिल गए थे बट लेकिन ये तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं वगैरह मतलब ये कुछ भी काम में
बराबर,
नहीं आ रहा
बराबर.
वगैरह तो फिर
Yes,
किताब
yes,
निकाल निकाल के पढ़ो एंड देन यू आर ट्राइंग टू हाँ फिर रियलाइज हुआ कि सब कुछ
absolutely.
था किताब में बट हमने ही ठीक से नहीं पढ़ा है so,
नहीं, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं ना, that is next version of what we learned.
correct what we
It's not that 100% was taught to us.
yeah
Abhi, those days, our elderly people used to keep radio in front of us.
yeah
You are into engineering ना, now repair this. अरे वो रेडियो खोलने के बाद उसमें and those days wall type radios थे,
yeah
wall
yes
के radios थे, ठीक
हाँ
है ना. अभी तो काफी टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो गई है.
correct
मैं बोलता था ये सब हमको नहीं पढ़ाते हैं,
तो
like
बोले
that.
क्या पढ़ाते हो अगर मतलब तुम इंजीनियर बने
हाँ,
हो तो
yes,
मतलब क्या है वगैरह
yes,
तो
yes.
या आई थिंक वेरी
But
ट्रू
okay. बट उससे बेसिक्स थोड़े क्लियर हो जाते हैं.
हाँ
मतलब काफी अपने को पता चल जाता है केबल क्या होता है, एवरीथिंग क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया दिस दैट, वो समझ में आता है काफी. यस,
but I think
मशीन्स में भी.
another thing about specifically I think if I recollect and since you did some amount of entrepreneurship at some point and now you're also doing uh, I don't think there was a very clear cut subject which was there was one subject on management
या
uh, but other than that was there any subject which taught us entrepreneurship and all
नो, नो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वाज नॉट नेवर टॉट टू अस.
or even management it was just the I think basics of management
मैनेजमेंट
there
और
was a
बेसिक मैनेजमेंट, सो ये
it was more of
only thing is
industrial
no, no. Ah, yeah, you are right. I started my own company because I wanted to be entrepreneur.
hmm
And since I had that guts of convincing customers
hmm
for any product,
hmm
and since LED was the latest technology those
hmm
days,
hmm
and which was turning out to be a huge energy saving device,
hmm
almost 70% energy save हो जाती थी उसमें. So it was easy for it. I found it easy to penetrate that top subject, that technology in market. And I did good business, no doubt about it. I did good business. No regrets for that also. No regrets. Although I landed in losses, but no regrets. Absolutely no regrets. Yes.
now if you look at the way we do uh, business in India or run a business in India vis-a-vis how you run it in let's say Qatar as an example do you see
Mm.
some major differences between the two
Of course, of course. Here competition is very less,
okay
first of all,
hmm.
because the population of Qatar is around 2.8 million.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas the population of Nagpur district itself could be around 5 million.
Mm-hmm. True.
Okay, so this is the country which is
Mm-hmm.
ruling over the world
Mm-hmm.
now, because first of all 2022 FIFA is there, then 2030 Asian Games are there, and big oil and gas projects are also coming up to the tune of $50 billion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so their suppliers are less and demand is more
Mm-hmm.
here. But in our country, suppliers are huge and
Okay.
demand also huge, but competition obviously will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Competition is huge in India. Sometimes you have to do business with margin of 3%, 4%, 5% also, even. Yes, as low as that. But okay, India is India, Qatar is Qatar. Qatar, I am very happy because here professionalism is there. In India, some different tactics are also applied. Okay, means इसके पहचान का आ गया, उसके पहचान का आ गया, तो चलो कर दो इसका काम, like that. But इधर नहीं है, इधर मतलब एक मराठी में म्हण है, बाप दाखव नहीं तो श्राद्ध कर. बस तो आप मटेरियल दो, बराबर सर्विस दो, कस्टमर will stick to you. Moment you ditch him or fail in your commitments, then he will give you second chance but not third chance. इंडिया में बहुत अलग बिजनेस है, यहाँ पे बहुत अलग बिजनेस. And of course, money-wise also, 1 riyal is equal to 20 rupees. मैं अगर बोलता भी हूँ 10,000 रियाल का ऑर्डर है, तो भी it amounts to around 2 lakh rupees of order. And obviously profit margin फिर वो हिसाब से. So बहुत ही different, total different.
So talent वगैरह, let's say India, as you said, has got a lot of population, also will have a lot of manpower or talent available. How will that be a scenario in a place like Qatar, which has got manpower? मिल जाता है talent, मतलब
Yeah. You also know, na, India में means why people are going abroad. Those days, government jobs were easily available. Nowadays, government jobs are not available. For means very minuscule jobs are there. Secondly, the return. Now take case of my son, who has done his engineering and now he is with Reliance. Okay. But now he wants to quit and he wants to pursue his MBA, not from India, although he got selected in one of the topmost institutes in Mumbai. He got selected, but still he is saying, no, I will not do from here. I will do either from means abroad, Singapore or UK or US, like that. Because their money means, of course, income is more and competition is less. फैमिली से दूर रहने का जो है वो तो एक है, नो डाउट, ठीक है ना, लेकिन उसको मैनेज करना पड़ता है. अभी अपने ही बैच के कितने सारे लड़के बाहर हैं,
बराबर
है ना, तो वो डिफरेंस आएगा. इंडिया में इतना नहीं है, सैलरीज इतना नहीं है. मतलब एट योर रिटायरमेंट एज इन प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री, फॉरगेट अबाउट द स्कॉलर्स, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्कॉलर्स, लेकिन जो अपने एज ग्रुप के जो लोग हैं जो नॉर्मल इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट देयर पैकेज गोज टू अराउंड 60 लाख 70 lakhs, not even that much. So that much package you will get outside in very first year. Amount wise I am talking of, money wise, value wise. Expenses of course will be in that proportion, but people nowadays, students are opting for that, going abroad, pursuing some degree, diploma, whatever, and joining there only. Of course, some people will, some students will not be happy because they fail to get job. Of course, other side of the coin is also there, no doubt. But 90%, 95% students, they succeed. 5% of course.
So इसमें अगर for example, as you said, one is, let's say we were discussing about job opportunities or so now looking at, let's say, quality of living in a different place. Now अब इंडिया में देखो, all said and done, ठीक है, इंटरनेट भी मिल नहीं जाता है, अभी पावर सप्लाई भी बड़े सिटीज में चलता ही है, मतलब उतना होता नहीं है, स्कूल हॉस्पिटल सारे चीजें है,
सब कुछ है.
प्लस आई थिंक इंडिया में कंपेयर टू लेट्स से यूएस एज एन एग्जांपल, काम करने के लिए घर का काफी लोग हो जाते हैं, मतलब वेजिटेबल काटने के लिए कोई आ रहा है, झाड़ू पोछा करने के लिए कोई समवन एल्स इज कमिंग, तुमको कार क्लीन करना है तो कोई आ रहा है. So something like a Qatar as an example, do you get those kind of thing? Do you get maids and other kind of people to do it, and is it possible to afford? Because many times people say in US maybe mil jayega, but you will not be able to afford.
We can afford, not an issue. Okay, we can very well afford it, but we are not keeping any maid. Of course, for car cleaning, one boy is there.
Mhm.
And other stuff, standard of living, I am finding same because I was living in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the size of flats in Mumbai.
Correct.
So I am okay with what means rather we are in better position, I would
Mhm.
say. Bombay may, if your office is at 9 o'clock, you have to start from your home at 7 o'clock.
I know.
Okay, if you are commuting by local. Here,
Correct.
my office, although it is 15 kilometers away, but I reach office in 15 minutes,
Mm.
maybe lesser than that. And plus coming back home, so I get quite spare time also
Mm.
to pursue my hobbies and all that. Yes, in
Okay, that's a
India it
good.
was not possible.
Not possible. So, okay, let's
Yeah,
talk about your hobbies. And this is the very interesting part which is there. I think we now know each other for more than 35 years. But
yeah.
I only got to know recently that you are such a great musician. Not only you sing so well, you also play a lot of instruments. So tell us about
No, not lot.
ये
No, no,
इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से
not
चालू
lot
हुआ,
of
क्या हुआ?
instruments. No, no, not lot of instruments. Tabla only I play.
अच्छा,
Okay. I have
मतलब
joined class
बजा
also.
बजाने की आदत बहुत बचपन से थी या फिर
बचपन
अभी भी? बचपन से
बचपन
बजा
से
रहे
थी
थे.
बजाने की.
बजाने की, ओके, गुड.
Yes.
स्कूल वगैरह में
और
बजाते थे?
सिंगिंग की तो
यूज्ड टू प्ले
हाँ
इट इन सोमबलौर में वगैरह प्ले करता था, मतलब यूज्ड टू प्ले द.
नहीं 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 तब मैं सीखा नहीं था.
अच्छा.
जस्ट फॉर 6 months आई ज्वाइन क्लास.
हाँ, हाँ.
एंड आफ्टर दैट फिर वो मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग के चक्कर में
चक्कर
सब
में सब
बाहर
बंद
हो
हो गया.
गया. और फिर जॉब मेरा बूटी बोरी में था तो नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. बॉम्बे आने के बाद आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. तो वो सब पॉसिबल ही नहीं हुआ. अभी
हाँ, हाँ.
यहाँ पे आके यहाँ पे बहुत एक अच्छे तबला ट्यूटर है, गुरु है यहाँ पे. ही इज फ्रॉम कर्नाटका, बेलगांव.
अच्छा.
ओके, सो ही इज टेकिंग क्लासेस. मेरा
हम्म.
फर्स्ट एग्जाम भी पास हो क्लियर हो गया, अभी
क्या
सेकंड
बात है,
एग्जाम भी है.
क्या
यस,
बात
यस. एंड इन तबला नो केटी इज देयर.
आई नो. और फिर सिंगिंग का मतलब यूज्ड टू बी मोर ऑफ ए, क्या मतलब
या
महफिल में गा
वोकल.
लिया काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और हाउ?
वो सब वो नहीं, महफिल ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब भजन है, नाट्य संगीत है. मैं यू नो माय डैड, ही गॉट महाराष्ट्र हाईएस्ट अवार्ड. ओके, महाराष्ट्र राज्य गुणगौरव पारितोषिक फॉर हिज म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन एंड इट्स अभिनय आल्सो
आई
फॉर
वाज
वन
नॉट
ऑफ द
अवेयर ऑफ दैट
ड्रामास.
दैट
संगीत
अंकल
नाटक.
यूज्ड टू एक्ट
या
आल्सो.
या yeah. Yes, he directed one full means music direction was done by him. He got first prize that time.
वाओ, वाओ.
And yeah, and
कौन से
renowned
साल की बात कर रहे हो?
people.
दिस इज व्हिच ईयर?
1982.
ओह.
82. Yes, yes. तो अभी भी उनके जो मतलब उनका जो ड्रामा था गातो तुझ्यासाठी, उसमें के अभी भी एक एक लाइन हमको याद है पूरी. अभी भी ऑनेस्टली. यस. हमारे घर में जब भी हम अंताक्षरी वगैरह खेलते हैं, so we never play Hindi अंताक्षरी, we always play Marathi अंताक्षरी. And in that always all those songs will by default they will be sung.
चलो फिर
And that
सुनाओ, मतलब लेट मी हियर दैट.
अरे
तभी तो मैंने सुना नहीं था, बट लेट्स हियर
नहीं.
वहां का सॉन्ग, या फिर जो भी एनीथिंग व्हिच यू लाइक.
नहीं नहीं, अभी डैडी का नाम लिया है तो एक छोटी सी श्रद्धांजलि भी हो जाएंगी डैडी को.
हाँ, जरूर.
आयवाहू आज रसिका अर्पितो शब्दांजलि संपले संगीत सारे संपल्या त्या मैफिली काय वाहू आज रसिका. That's it.
Wow.
Yes.
So this was also composed by him, or how is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
he
yes.
not only composed the music,
पूरा
he
पूरा
sang.
complete,
मतलब
complete.
क्या बात है.
Yes, yes. Full.
तो
He
इसके
got
कुछ
first prize.
मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड ऑल आर अवेलेबल बिकॉज़ तभी के जमाने में तो
नहीं
ऐसा
यार,
होता
अभी
नहीं।
हम बहुत ढूंढ रहे हैं, नहीं मिल रहे
हाँ,
हमको
इवन
दोस्त। और
ऑडियो
my
भी नहीं
dad
होगा शायद।
expired ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ना, मतलब कुछ
हाँ,
भी ऐसा
तो
इंटीमेशन नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था,
और
तो
तभी
he
तो उतना
expired ऑल ऑफ अ सडन।
सहूलियत भी नहीं थी ना, वी डिडंट हैव, इफ
नहीं
ही
थी,
हैड
नहीं
गॉट
थी।
दिस इन 82, तब कहाँ टेप
Yeah.
रिकॉर्ड ही बड़ी मुश्किल से होती थी, मतलब फॉरगेट अबाउट
वो
एनी अदर।
you know that spool recorder spool,
हाँ हाँ
your
हाँ,
आनंद
correct,
पिक्चर में जो लास्ट में
हाँ
गोल 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 गोल,
बराबर।
तो उसमें एक के यहाँ पे था, we tried to transfer it to CD but we failed in that।
ओ,
तो ठीक है, अभी तो हम ही जब भी मौका मिल मिल जाता है
हाँ,
वैसे याद कर
उस
लेते
याद से
हैं।
याद करते, दैट्स
यस,
वेरी नाइस, वंडरफुल।
यस।
तो बिफोर वी एंड द लास्ट थिंग, सो क्या आगे के क्या प्लान्स है इन द नेक्स्ट 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, क्या सोचा है? कमिंग बैक टू
Next
इंडिया?
3 years, yeah, next 3 years I will be in Qatar only.
हम्म
Okay, and after that I will come back to India.
हम्म
I will stay in Mumbai only,
हम्म
and my core interest, that is politics, I
ओके,
will start in that, because I was the first president of technical wing of Akhil Bharat ABVP
हम्म
during our VRC days. एक दिन मैंने VRC बंद किया था, अगर तुमको याद होगा तो। एक दिन तब मेरे को अपने डायरेक्टर साहब ने बुला के बहुत झाड़ा था, बट ठीक है, चलता है, it happens। तो बस दैट्स इट। और बेटा मेरा कहाँ रहेगा, आई डोंट नो, मोस्टली
हम्म
ही विल बी अब्रॉड ओनली। एंड
हम्म
माय वाइफ इज लर्निंग गीता।
वाह
ओके, अभी 10 अध्याय उनके हो गए, तो
वाह,
शी इज मोर इनटू दैट, मतलब
स्पिरिचुअल,
भगवान के इसमें, या स्पिरिचुअल बस। तो वो उनका काम करेंगे, मैं मेरा काम करूंगा। पॉलिटिक्स है, म्यूजिक है, रात को महफिल जाने का, ये सब काम करेंगे। But after 3 years, mostly I will not work. Means after 55, now I am 52. So after 55, I will give my time to those things which I couldn't do.
टू
Because if I see now in Nagpur, people with whom I used to move at the time of elections, they are holding very responsible posts, and they are in very much limelight. I am not talking about politics as such, but yes, somewhat I would say.
No, I think it will be great because if people like good people like you come to politics or do social work,
Socialism,
I,
yes,
it is definitely needed, and I think around that time 55 plus kind of thing, we'll also want something which gives us a lot of self satisfaction in what you do.
yes, exactly.
अभी तो दाल रोटी
छोटा
के चक्कर में अभी भी
कंसल्टेंसी
भागे हुए हैं।
देंगे, कोई भी कंपनी पकड़ के एक छोटा सा कंसल्टेंसी चालू करेंगे।
बराबर बराबर,
That's it। तब तक मतलब 3 साल में उतना सेटिंग करना है कि इंडिया में आके वहां वहां पे अपने को पगार मिलना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत, कुछ ज्यादा अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं है। 2 फ्लैट्स है बॉम्बे में, नो प्रॉब्लम, कंफर्टेबल लाइफ, कंफर्टेबल जीने का। एंड
करेक्ट,
माय वाइफ, शी इज नॉट ग्रीडी एट ऑल, जो है उसमें शी इज हैप्पी, तो कोई इश्यू नहीं है। स्पिरिचुअल में वो ज्यादा बिजी रहती है,
गुड गुड गुड,
ठीक है ना।
wonderful, Shekhar. It is such a nice thing, and on a very very short notice, you have agreed to come over, and
माय
we
प्लेजर,
caught up.
यस,
Yeah, we
यस।
caught up, and though you are one person who keeps in touch, मतलब uh, याद आया तो फोन कर देते हो, हम तो मतलब वो भी नहीं करते लोगों को, तो so it's very very nice
नहीं
to
नहीं,
catch up, and बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट थे तुम्हारी जिंदगी के which I'm not aware after being a close friend of yours for 35 years. So thanks for sharing that, and wish you all the best.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Okay, bye
ओके,
then.
बाय, थैंक यू।